everyone, in this video I will demonstrate the CRUD operations like create, read, update, and delete using MongoDB in MongoDB Compass. So first I create a database named NoSQL CRUD Lab and insert 3 student documents into the students collections, each with the student ID, student name, student course, and year level. So this shows the create operation. Then I perform a read operations by displaying all records and filtering a specific students by course. Next, let's proceed to the update. Next, I demonstrate the update operation by changing Liza Soberano's year level from 1 to 2 using the $set operator and verify the update. Lastly is the delete operation. So I perform the delete operation